So I decided to make my own roof rack because if you want to buy one that's already made, it's really expensive, and I don't want to spend like €1,000 on a new roof rack. And I also don't want like a second-hand one because most of them are really tall, and I want a low-profile one. So I have to make my own one. I'm probably gonna do it out of aluminium. So I have to make my own brackets to hold it down. So I bought some inox brackets. These are the closest ones I could find that would fit on the top of the van, but they are a little bit too long, so I cut them down so they fit in between. I will put one of these rubbers underneath, bolt it down. I'm gonna make two first, and then I can measure the distance between the two sides. Then I know what the dimensions are for my roof rack. So I'm gonna show you now where this will go. As you can see, we have the little bolt hole here. I'm probably also gonna buy longer bolts, so it's a little bit more secure than it is now. As you can see, this is the hole. Trying to remove this little rubber protection. I'm putting everything together, push it through like this. I will bolt it on. And this is how it will sit. This is how it will sit on the roof. As you can see, I can adjust it because my roof isn't straight. I can adjust it. Now I have to just make one for the other side, and then I can measure the distance, and I can order the other parts of the roof rack. Okay, the parts for the roof rack have arrived. See, I decided to go with aluminium extrusion, the 40 centimeters. They're like 40 by 40 millimeters, not centimeters. Would be really big, but I'm gonna lay it out. I'm gonna see if I have all the bolts. I think I'm missing 4 bolts. can go and get them in the store. But I'm gonna lay it out on the floor, see where everything goes, and I'm gonna try and attach it to the roof, to those brackets I have already made and installed them. So what I'm gonna use is, these are for the center beams, for the beams in the middle, so they can attach to the sides. These are the corner pieces, and these are the nuts and bolts that slide through and hold everything together. So I'm gonna lay it out now and see how big it will be. Okay, I forgot to press record, but this is the layout. This is what it should look like on the roof. If you look here, at every corner we have a corner piece. Then for the middle ones, I'm using one of those this corner piece with the set screws in it, so I can move it around if need be. So 3 of these, and then at the front again a corner piece, and then I'm gonna use these nuts and bolts to secure it all to the roof. So most of them are on. Show you. As you can see, I still have to do some tweaking so they don't hit the roof and stuff, and they're the same and they're level. So I'm gonna do that now, but I'm not gonna film it because it's annoying work. It's difficult to film. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the finished result. But for now, it was a little bit more difficult than I expected. But it's going, I'm gonna say okay. It's not bad. It's not going super good. It's not going super bad. It's just neutral.